Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day, and Happy New Year. Happy 2020, guys. This is your year, okay? Before we get started, do me a favor, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? I'm back, guys, with something new. Okay, this is going to be a new project that I'm adding for 2020. It's an online business. It's a digital business. It's digital education. Okay, it's fresh. Okay, and I think it's really going to rock for 2020. And it's ideal for the newbie or for the person that have started trying to make money online. They've struggled and hadn't been able to figure out what to do. This is a great price point for you. Okay, because they have 4 levels. And we're going to go over those in a second. And very affordable for everybody. 25 bucks, guys, to get started, okay? All right. So let me show you. I just literally got in this. I don't think it's been 24 hours yet, okay? So I want to just show you this, something for you to check out, okay? And I will be using this and driving this home to you guys to see how average people just like you can make money online. And this is going to be a great system to do that. Now with this one, like I said, there's 4 levels. So you're going to have some pass ups. You're going to pass up your second. Let me look at my notes. Second and 4th sale. Okay. So the first sale you're going to keep, but you'll pass your second and 4th sale up. So that's going to give you leverage. Okay. To be able to make more money from your new members. And the same is going to go for you. When you bring people in, their second and 4th is going to be passed up. Okay, and it's an instant pay member-to-member program. So let's take a look. I'm going to show you the back office. And like I said, I literally just got in this less than 24 hours, but I wanted to share this with you. All right, let's take a look. All right, I am in my back office. Now, it's going to look strange to some of you that's already in this. I am at the elite level, but for whatever reason, this is showing down here as if I haven't paid, but I have full access to all the products. So I've already notified them to let them know. I'm not sure why it's looking that way, but check this out. I'm going to show you something. When you click here, it shows you the products. Okay, it shows you the courses because this is a course, just like it says. But here in the course are all the modules and the videos. Okay. For that $25. So it's 25 plus $5. So it's going to cost you $30 to get this course. And we do have a Facebook community, okay? And the owner of the course is in the Facebook group and is always active and is always giving input and value to help you succeed with this program, the Newbies On Fire, okay? But let me show you something I thought was strange. Check it out. So right here, when I try to click there, it's going to tell me I've already paid. So it knows, but for whatever reason, this is still showing up. So just ignore that. Okay. I have all the levels. All right. So that's what you get with the starter. So let's go to the next one. The basic package is $100 plus $10 admin. $10 is one time payment. $100 plus $10 one time. Okay. So if I click there, it shows you what's in that level. And guess what the title of that is? How to find buyers. Okay, that's what most people struggle with. How to get leads. How do I get people to look at this opportunity without bugging friends and family? Okay, so here you have it. And it tells you, it gives you the video titles for each one of those. So you're getting 8 modules within that course. Okay. And that's $110. The next one is advanced training, $250. So it'll be $275. Okay. You'll see when I click it, it tells me I'm already paid. So it knows that. So let's check out the advanced. Let's see what's in there. Okay. For $275, here's all the training you get with that, guys. Okay. Look at all the modules. So you get a plethora of training with this. Now let's go down to the elite. Tells me I'm already paid. So we go there. What's in there? All these courses for $500. I remember spending over $1,000, okay, for this type of training. okay, to get all this training that you're getting. So you get a lot of training. And again, this is perfect for newbies. That's what I like. The title, the name of it, Newbies on Fire, makes a whole lot of sense. Okay. So those are the products. So you pick what level you're comfortable with. Now, if you decide you come in at a lower level and you want to upgrade later, no problem. Just send in the difference in that admin fee. You're good to go. And we can accept Cash App, Zelle, however you want to get paid. Okay. And that'll be listed. So when you join my link, it will direct you in how to make the payment to me. All right, so let's take a look over here. So that was the product. So if I could click courses, these are the actual courses that I paid for. Okay, so they're all here. Let me give you an example. Like this is the elite. As I said, I'm at the elite level. And here's all the training. See, it goes all the way down, releasing your content. And this is what it looks like so you can have an idea. So let's see.
So just to give you a quick overview here.
Okay. So it's video training. Okay. Video training. Everything is digital. All right. So there's the courses. All the courses are here. And then you just click here, continue your lesson, and just go through the courses, guys. Very simple, very easy to follow. Your profile is here. If you click contact your reseller, it shows you who your sponsor is, because a lot of times people join things and they go, well, I don't remember who it was I signed up under. So just click contact your reseller, and that's your sponsor. Right here is my team. And believe it or not, I do have some people that have joined, and I have some leads that have come in. Okay. Now on tools, let's go over the tools. This is where the capture pages are and the sales pages are. Now this system comes with a funnel. The marketing system, the autoresponder, all is included. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay. And then if you ever want to send an email out to your leads, see right here it says email your leads. Just click this button, launch, and type your email. Okay. So everybody that have opted into your page, you can send them a broadcast. All right. So let me show you some of the pages and the ones that I like. I already have them pulled up actually. So here's one. Let's move this over. This is the Facebook cash code. Now, this is the one I actually did a test on this. And when people enter their name and email, it takes them into the group, and they can see people and validate that people are making money with this, because a lot of times people are apprehensive, right? It's like, well, it sounds good, but how do I know people are already making money, or that I can make money? So what happens is when they put in their name and email, it takes them into the Facebook group so they can see proof of that already. So from that point, it directs them how to go ahead and sign up. Okay. So that's all you need to do. You can use this page, and I like everything that they have on here. You earn 25, 100, 250, 500 bucks. Okay. Very simple. So that's one of the pages I like. And then here's another one that I like. This one right here, free video. Let's go move this out of the way. Free video reveals how average people just like you are making big money online. Okay. And then when they enter their information in, it takes them to a sales page, which I'll show you that sales page. And then right here, this is pretty cool because they can see proof payments coming in right here. If they're sitting on this page and wondering, right here is showing them that people are making sales. Okay. So that will also entice them to put their information in so they can go to the sales page. All right. So let's go a little further. Okay. Here's another sales page. So there's numerous sales pages in here. Okay. On this page, it shows the levels, the courses rather, starter course, basic course, advanced course, elite course. And from here, you would just create your account. Okay. And there's some information on this page as well. Okay. That you can check out. So it's really clean cut. It's not overwhelming. It's not a hyper page with a bunch of hype on it. I think it's just enough information. They're keeping it simple. Just enough to entice you to put your information in. All right. So let's look at another one. All right. So I'm just going to go here so you can see the pages in the back office. And it says right here, landing pages, free video page. Okay, this also comes in Spanish too, guys, which is pretty cool. So you have an English version and you have a Spanish version. Okay, so 2 for 1. Okay, and they have a join us page, which is pretty cool. You can just send that to someone. So it's definitely a great place to get started. As it says, Newbies on Fire. So it's perfect for a newbie. So you don't have to worry about guessing what you need to do. Okay. Okay, right here is the Facebook group. You're going to join that from your back office. And if you see right here, I just joined. Okay. They're just announcing that, hey, I joined at the elite level. So we have an active Facebook group. The owner's active in it and everybody else is active. So you can see where people are actually making money with this system. Okay, so if you're looking for a simple system, if you want to have something that's easy to follow, this will be perfect for you guys. I really think this is going to be a system that we're going to be able to crush it with for 2020. Just sending people to this page. Now, let me show you some results that I have received just for sharing this page. Okay, let me take you to my email. Okay, as you can see right here, as I stated, I just joined yesterday. Okay, see it right here to the right. And then you can see I've received from that Facebook page I just showed you 31 opt-ins in that page, 7 opt-ins from another generic page. I'm just doing some testing, and I actually have 4 right here new members that joined. Okay, so the system does convert. Okay, the system converts. So this is going to be a perfect system for you guys. Okay, so let's take a look here. Let me show you some other things that they have to offer. Okay, right here in your back office, this is where you're going to set up your payment processor. Whether it's going to be, I wouldn't recommend it, but it's in there. PayPal, your Cash App, Stripe, however you want to get paid. You just click launch and go there and set that up, and you're ready to go. You don't have to worry about setting up a funnel. Any of that is done. All you need to do is set up your profile, set up this merchant, and start sharing one of your capture pages, guys. That's it. That's how this one works. Very simple. Okay, so I'm going to put the link below. I want you to check it out. There's no monthly fees with this. This is going to be easy to get started. You can get started as low as $25 plus a $5 admin fee, $30. But of course, the higher you come in, the more you're going to be able to make. Plus, you don't leave any money on the table, okay? Because it will pass up, all right? So anyway, just wanted to bring you that, guys. Newbies on Fire is going to be the way to go, okay? So subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. And I look forward to working with you in 2020. I will see you on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.